When manufacturing electronics, precision cleaning high-value parts and components is a critical step. Vapor degreasing is a popular method of precision cleaning because it is a quick, repeatable process that is not dependent on operator technique. Many different cleaning solvents can be used with vapor degreasers. Among these, fluorinated cleaning solvents, also called fluorosolvents, are a safe, effective choice. Fluorosolvents were developed as an environmentally sensible solution to replace halogenated solvents that contain unfavorable environmental properties. They are ideal for removing contaminants like dirt, oil, fingerprints, solder paste residue, and electronics flux from parts and components. Fluorosolvents like the Asahi Clean and Amalia solvents have no flashpoint, no ozone depletion potential, low global warming potential, and low surface tension. Because of the low surface tension, they can better penetrate the surface of the contaminant while still being gentle on the substrate's surface. They don't leave behind any residue, and they are quick drying, so no additional cleaning or drying are necessary. These fluorosolvents thoroughly clean metal, plastic, polyurethane, and fluoroelastomer substrates. They can also be used in most existing vapor degreasing equipment with little or no modification. To learn more about precision cleaning with Asahi Clean and Amalia fluorosolvents, visit agcchem.com/fluorosolvents.